everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for stopping by again. Happy holidays. I do have another project share for you. This is using my accordion style mini album, and I will leave the entirely full step-by-step HD tutorial link in the description box below, okay? After this walkthrough, a tutorial trailer will be playing. You're gonna see the way I go throughout teaching my books, and it's just a trailer, okay? And I am using different paper. So you can use any paper that you'd like, and you can just use the base design construct for that. Right here on the front cover, I do have this shaker element. I made my own little frame, sequins moving around in there, which I think is super cute. I did use the Cartabella Christmas that I had left in my stash, some wood veneers, and then this awesome lace satin ribbon and fussy cut banners with baker's twine. Now there's awesome uses for this cute book that comes together in 1 hour, okay? You will surprise yourself. This is a good stepping stone into mini album making. If you're intimidated, this is a project you can do. Now there's 2 ways to do this. You can open it up like a book, and look how beautiful. I have a camera stamp from Hobby Lobby. Super cute stickers, landscape and portrait, and you can see this front and back. It makes a beautiful centerpiece on the table, or even a mantle display above the fireplace. And you open it again, check this out. You're matted by the black and white. You don't need to cut your photos down. 4x6 fits perfectly on there. Now, how wonderful is this? I do have a friend to mention. Her name is Ray Ray. If you're thinking of any other gifts and someone has sensitive skin or they're very much into the natural way of things, these soaps are beautiful. She can ship them out to you, rayraysnaturalsoap.com. And she has even come out with a brand new. You will be mind blown, okay? This is so quality that you need to use it in a certain amount of time. This is body lotion, the Queen's Chamber. And y'all know nobody goes in the Queen's Chamber, as Ray Ray loves to say, okay? And I want to try out this coffee scrub, so quick, easy gifts. She ships them out to you. She's one of the most lovely ladies I've ever met in my whole life. And so I just want to shout her out. The link to her shop will be down below. So I want to show you, this fully expands. Look at this. How beautiful is that when you have your displayed photos on the centerpiece of the table? You can just love and look at all the images as you eat your food, front and back, or even just the front you can decorate. And it just closes back up like this. Thank you, everyone. Check out that tutorial trailer so you can see the way my teaching process goes, and if it's anything that you're interested in, the link for the tutorial will be in the description box. See you next time. Bye. Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Welcome to the accordion style mini album tutorial. I'm so happy that you guys are here hanging out with me once again. You know it, scoreboard, okay, and also a paper trimmer, okay, and I have a brand new blade here and a scoring tool, right? Bone folder, scoring tool, and of course, some scissors. You can't play with paper without scissors at some point, right? Super beautiful winter theme. Here's this page, beautiful. Lots of cut aparts in here. And about 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11, 65-pound cardstock for our picture mats. Okay, so you notice that'll have the craft and then the white on top for the pictures. Okay, so for the step, I'm going to be using 1/4-inch score tape, okay? You, again, can use any type of tape to make this process go faster for you. But I'm just gonna show you how I apply this around the perimeter and some on the inside. Okay, check these corners out. And you'll notice that our cover, since we've wrapped it, we've added some sizes. So this is going to fit on here really nicely without overhang, since we took that little smidge off. And we're first going to score the 7.5 by 6.5 piece with a 7.5-inch side along the top. And we're going to score simply 1/2 inch. It's totally up to you the way you want to fold on your score lines, but I'm going to go towards the protruding side, the side that's textured and sticking up. Attaching this score tape at this size fits perfect on a 1/2 inch flat. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm on top of the mountain. You see? You got this going on. You're doing amazing. Take your time. It'll come out nice and straight. Okay? And if it doesn't, it's not even a big deal. When you have this all opened up, embellished, and with your beautiful Christmas photos on it, or your winter photos, of your winter vacation, whatever it is, it's going to be gorgeous. I'm matting now horizontally, 1/8 of an inch away from that score mark right here, and give it a nice burnish. And they fit beautifully right there, 1/8 of an inch border, okay? They're gonna fit beautifully right there, just right for you.